all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by a series of question sets of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003. Questions only can give us freedom from our mental cages. So, never stop questioning. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us continue our journey in the question series. Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of patents, in the exciting world of patents, and see what next we are going to explore. Okay, so there is a very beautiful thought, friends. Just listen. It's amazing how differently we can see something after leaving it alone and then revisiting it later. So the key term here is revision. So friends, till now we have discussed up to form number 19 and its relevant sections and rules. Okay, so today it is the turn for form number 20, and the keyword or the key term in form number 20 is revision, and that's why I have given here this beautiful thought. That means in a literal way, just we can compare. Okay, so let us take a look at this beautiful picture. Fine. So the picture may be the same, the place may be the same, but when we visit it again, then that means something new is felt by us, or some new thing we can see. This is the literal way, and we will proceed through this thought to the legal world, actually the world of patents. How the world in the world of patents, how the key term or the keyword revision has a significant effect, that we will discuss in the further slides. Okay, so let us proceed. Is the key term in form number 20 is revision. We can say when we utter this term key term, here in this particular discussion it indicates form number 20. Okay, so literally we can say revision is a change that is made to something, or the process of doing this, or see again. Fine. And in the legal world, we can say the revision is the re-examination of legal actions. Okay. So clarifying our thought for this particular key term or the keyword, let us proceed to our slide, that means old slide, where we can refresh our memory about form number 20 and its relevant sections and rules. Okay. So let us proceed. Now is the turn for form number 20. Okay. So form number 20 is application for revision of terms and conditions of license. Okay. So the related section is section number 88 and the related rule is rule number 100. Okay. So section 88 is about powers of controller in granting compulsory licenses. Okay. And rule number 100 is application under section 88 subsection 4. Okay. Here we can say, here the keyword is application, but here keeping a, or we can say focusing more on the revision of terms and conditions of the license. Okay, so this way friends, a very good link has been set up between form number 20, section 88 and rule number 100. Okay, so whenever, if we just set this picture in our, set this slide in our mind, then whenever any question related to any of these things, we can very well answer them. Okay, so this way friends, all the forms, that means starting from form number 11 and ending at form number 20 with the relevant sections and rules are
discussed here very briefly, and also I have tried to establish a relationship between them. Okay, so please go through all the slides. Okay, in the further lecture videos, what we will do, we will concentrate on the particular or individual topics, that means individual sections and rules, and so that there will be very clear understanding, and after that we will prepare the question sets as well, that in the same way that we did for the first part. Okay. Okay.
After refreshing our memory from the old slides, let us continue with our question series. Fine? Okay. Question number 1. Powers of controller in granting compulsory licenses is the subject matter addressed in which section of the Patent Act 1970? The answer is section 88. So please refer section 88 of the Patent Act 1970. Fine. Question number 2. What are the related sections, rules and form for section 88? The answer is rule number 62 and section 84 and form 20. Okay, so the title for rule 62 is hearing. The title for section 84 is compulsory licenses, and the title for form number 20 is application for revision of terms and conditions of license. Fine, let us proceed. This question number 3 says, if the controller finds that for an application made under section 84, the use or sell etc. of materials are not protected by the patent and is prejudiced by the conditions imposed by the patentee on grant of license, purchase etc., then he may order the grant of licenses to such customers of the applicant and to the applicant as he thinks fit. Okay. Is this statement true? The answer is yes, this statement is true. So for this, please refer section 88, subsection 1 of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. Question number 4. Where an application under section 84 is made by the holder of a license under the patent, the controller may, if he makes an order for the grant of a license to the applicant, order the existing license to be cancelled, or may, if he thinks fit, instead of making an order for the grant of a license to the applicant, order the existing license to be amended. That means either or condition, either the existing license has to be cancelled or the existing license is to be amended or corrected in a way, in the desired way. Fine. So now the question is this statement true? The answer is yes, this statement is true. For this, please refer section 88 subsection 2 of the Patents Act 1970 and section 84, that is compulsory licenses. Fine. Question number 5. After settlement of the terms and conditions of the license by the controller, the licensee, after working for a 1 year, may make an application for the revision of the terms and conditions. Fine. This application is done to avoid the loss that was experienced earlier. Okay. The criteria is that no such application shall be entertained for a second time. Now, is the whole statement true? The answer is yes, true. For this, please refer section 88, subsection 4 of the Patents Act 1970. Here also, friends, the title for Rule 100 is application under section 88, subsection 4. Rule 101 is procedure to be followed in case of applications under section 88 subsection 4. And what is form 20? The title is application for revision of terms and conditions of license. Fine. Okay. Question number 6. Application for revision of terms and conditions of license shall be filed in which form? The answer is form 20. The title for form 20 is application for revision of terms and conditions of license. Also I have given here the old picture. You can just take a look here. Fine. Question number 7. Application under section 88 subsection 4 is the subject matter addressed in which rule of the Patents Rules 2003? The answer is Rule 100. So please refer Rule 100 of the Patents Rules 2003. Question number 8. An application under section 88 subsection 4 for the revision of the terms and conditions of a license which have been settled by the controller shall be in form 20 and shall state the facts relied upon by the applicant and the relief he seeks, and shall be accompanied by evidence in support of the application. Now, is this statement true? The answer is yes, this is 100% true. Please refer Rule 100 Sub-Rule 1 of the Patents Rules 2003. Section 88 has the title Powers of Controller in Granting Compulsory Licenses, and what is Form 20? This is application for revision of terms and conditions of the license. Actually, friends, why I'm repeating these things so many times, just to set them in your mind. Fine. Question number 9. If the controller is satisfied that a prima facie case has not been made out for the revision of the terms and conditions of the license, he may notify the applicant accordingly, and unless within a month the applicant requests to be heard in this matter, the controller may refuse the application. Here actually the criteria or the situation for refusing the application is mentioned. So is this statement true? Answer is yes, true. For this, please refer Rule 100 Sub-Rule 2 of the Patents Rules 2003. Fine. Now the most awaited question, that is question number 10. And friends, with this question number, we are going to complete our range of forms, that means question sets based on the range of forms, that is starting from 11 and 20. So just take a look. Which chapter of the Patents Rules 2003 bears the title Compulsory License and Revocation of Patent? That includes Rule 100. What is the range of the rules? Answer is chapter 13 and rules starting from 96 and ending at 102. Okay, friends. So please go through all the questions of this question set, and I would like to request you that please go through all the question sets that I have uploaded till now. And if you have any queries, please refer to the individual video lectures of the respective sections and rules that I have already uploaded earlier. And still, if you are not uh, able to understand anything, you can put the same thing in my comment box. Fine. Okay. Then keep learning, keep enjoying.
The reference is Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005 and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you all for watching my video and listening to me. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel, and please put down your compliments, comments and queries in the comment box. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.